Hello and welcome to Design World Z. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you 3 tips in Adobe Illustrator you probably didn't know before. So, if you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to support the channel. And now, let's go. So the first tip we have here is when you draw a line with the pen tool or whatever, so you have here this little anchor points. So if you think these anchor points are really tiny, and they are, so you can make them bigger by going to Edit, Preferences, and go to Selection and Anchor Display, and from here you will be able to make the size bigger like this, or even like this, or maybe to the max, but let's keep it here for now and press OK. Now you're having bigger anchor points and bigger handles as well, so I think that would be really helpful. The second tip we have here, if you like to use the rulers, or as Illustrator call it, guides, so when you press Ctrl R you get your guides here. So if you press here and grab it to the middle, you will have this cyan line. So if you don't like this cyan guide, you can go to Edit, Preferences, and Guides and Grid. So from here you can change the color of the guides. Let's say I'm gonna make it blue and hit OK. And you can also control the style of the guide itself, so you can change it from lines to dots and hit OK. And now you're having a blue dotted line for the guides. So that's cool. The third and the last tip we have for today is if you think that everything in Adobe Illustrator is really small, so the icons, the tools, everything around, you can go to Edit, Preferences, and User Interface. And from the UI scaling, you can make it larger by sliding this little circle out there like this and hit OK. It will restart the whole application. Hit OK. So when it restarts and opens for the second time, you will have everything bigger like this. So as you can see here, everything is now clearly bigger. When you open a new project, you will have all the tools bigger, and even the mouse pointer and everything around is clear. So you will have everything in your interface nice and big enough to be seen easily. So that's it for today. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for your time and see you in the next video. Bye bye.